My favorite project would probably have to be the Prince William County schoolwork that I did for my first rotation. So I got to kind of map out all of the different ventilation systems through the school and kind of color code it, figure out what each piece of equipment did, how old it was, and like document all of that. And then I got to go on site with Sohum and Heather, walk around, get to see all of the equipment, write down if it matched the drawings that we had, learn a lot of information that isn't necessarily translated or that is important to include when you're documenting all of it. So once I got back to the office, we compiled all of the notes that we took from on site of all the equipment that we saw, and I started to put together building facility sheets and basically just outlining the existing conditions of the building, what potential energy saving measures that could do, and starting to understand the language of writing reports with CMTI. So a little bit different from the benchmarking and the other tasks that I've done so far, but I'm really liking it.